Hey guys, Raven the Potato here, and I'm at my sister's house, and she gave me this thing to try. It's a fiber 190 calories cinnamon coffee cake thing.
I may or may not be eating one right now.
She's eating one right now. And it smells good, to be honest. And I'm not really big on trying stuff, but she gave it to me, so I'm gonna try it anyway. If I can open it. If I can open it! Ah! There we go. I did it. I'm proud. I knew I could do it anyways. Anyway. Okay, so.
You might hear me laughing at her. And
No.
See,
Fun!
it flew.
It
did
flew
that
away!
so many times in my
Fuck.
videos.
Anyway, okay, so here it is. And, it looks like there's tiny chunks of poo in it. But, yeah, anyway, okay, so whatever, I'm gonna eat it. Oh.
I like making it into little squares. Doesn't taste bad. It tastes good, right?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna just sit here and eat this real quick.
Make sure to explain what it tastes like so that way.
I don't know. Shut up. I'm thinking.
Okay. Holy shit.
Okay. So, I like. Fuck.
Sorry.
So I like. Listen! You're huge!
That's what I wanted to do, but I didn't want to interrupt, so I was like. Oh my God.
He's so fat! Look at him! Sorry. Okay, I'm back. Alright. So this tastes good. I like it.
It's so great.
I like it a lot. For the reason being, there's 90 calories in it, so it's not that much. So if you're like trying to lose weight, but you still want sugary, delicious tasting stuff in your mouth, then eat this because it's
or just
awesome.
a peat. Never mind.
Don't give them any ideas.
Yeah.
Anyway, but I like the way it feels while you're holding it.
That's what she said.
I know. That's why I was laughing. But anyway, and when you put it in your mouth, it's like delicious.
That's what she said.
Stop making that's what she said when I'm trying to do this, okay?
Keep doing it then.
I can't. That's
That's what she said.
Oh my God. Marka!
That's what she said.
Shut
again.
up!
Okay.
Anyways, so it's delicious and freaking eat it, okay? Damn. I'm gonna eat this now.
I'm gonna go get another one.
Yeah, go. Get out. I love you too.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Alright. So this is good. And I'm gonna do more videos like this later. And another video later. Just, I don't know. We're probably gonna do a challenge later anyway. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright? So, bye.